Excel is a spreadsheet calculation program. A spreadsheet is a table, and of course if you open up Excel you directly see this table. It consists of lots of cells, and if I click on one, in this case C9, then you can see that it is specified by the column C and by the row 9. I again click on C9, and in the name box in here you can see the name of the cell C9. If you activate a complete region, a bunch of cells, then the upper left one, in this case D9, is given in the name box. There is one more box, a so-called formula bar, which is important. If I click on another cell, then you can see the content of this cell is given in the formula bar. And here I can simply change it. So I enter 2000 instead of the other value, and you can see it has changed in here as well. The 2000 has been a constant, but there is more to table and spreadsheet calculation. If you click, for example, in this, or if I click in here on cell B6 or C6, then you see there is a formula in here. The formula in this case is a sum, and of course what it's meant is that the cells from C2 to C5 are summed up, and the result is given 10,535. And the important thing is, if I change a value in this range of cells, for example I make a 3000 in here, then not only the cell in here is changed, but the formula is updated as well. If I look again on this cell, then you see 1000 is given in the formula bar. If I look on the cell itself, then you see the layout is a little bit different. You see 1000 separator, the dot, and you can see the euro sign. But be careful, the 1000 is the value in the cell. However, you can give layout information, sometimes called a number format, to the cell. Then in addition, the content, the 1000, is layouted in a specified way. In this cell I have changed the layout. You can see that not only the 3000 is given, but in addition 2 digits after the decimal place are given as well. And I can delete those by clicking in here. Each Excel document, sometimes called workbook, consists of one or several worksheets. These are called in here Table 1, Table 2, Table 3. I can change the names, I can add more worksheets. When you see now I have an English version of Excel, then the new one is called Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and so on. Anyhow, I go back to my old table. The rest is typical for any kind of Microsoft application. You have these different, usually symbols, you have these Windows symbols to open and end an application. You do have several tabs like File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. Of course, they are related to Excel, and depending on which of those is chosen, different functions in this ribbon or multifunction bar are given. And in this course we will discuss these kind of functions which you can use to manipulate the spreadsheets and tables within Excel.